Hello guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how scammers create Ponzi websites. Yes, a lot of you might have actually come across most of these Ponzi sites and you wonder how these people do it. So in today's video I'm going to do a cybersecurity tutorial, or this is a cybersecurity video that actually ensure you don't get falling victim into any of these websites. So if you're a web developer, then this video is for you, so you learn how to create such website and avoid falling victim. A lot of these websites have actually popped up within the last few months, and it has actually been skyrocketing the rate which people are actually using it. And so with this tutorial you might easily know if you come across one of these websites. Now for the hosting I'm going to use for this, I'm going to use Aztec hosting. So this is one hosting I found that literally I used and supports such platform. So this is the hosting that a lot of them use, guys. So I'm going to use this hosting, and then I'm going to show you how they actually run these things and create a website like this. Now for this, I already purchased a domain name and a hosting so I can use for the tutorial purpose and explain how it is done for you. But for your sake, what I'm going to show you is this. So you come to here. Once you come to the click on the link in the description, come here, just come here and type in the domain name you want. So let's do um most of the time you see them in a very fancy name. So like there was one I saw, chivi do dot ng. So it was said that the video was actually sharing sorry oh, give me a minute, guys. Hold on. Okay, so it's connected, so let's go back. So it was said that the video was actually sharing some things, and so people created a website like this, and this is one reason you have to learn how this is done so you can avoid falling victim of any cybersecurity threat or tutorial. Now this is it. You come here, they type in your name, your domain name. Now as you can see, the domain name is available, so all they do is to add to cart. On the add to cart, the next thing is to go to the web hosting, which is their next process. Go to the hosting service, order new service. Now because they needed the website to be fast, they don't get this low plan, they go for this they go for this premium plan, so as to actually pay 18,000 naira every 3 months, which the site is not going to last for 3 months. So you just click on order now, and then what they do is use the domain name already in cart, and then continue and make payment. So that is it. Now I already have a domain name to explain this whole process for you guys, so I don't need to get a new domain name again. So now I'm going to log into the file manager and just show you guys the rest process of this video. So stay tuned, guys. Let's go. So guys, this is my cPanel that was given to me after I purchased the domain name. So this is my cPanel, guys. So if you get the domain name from them, they also give you a cPanel just like this guys used to. Now for the rest of this video, you're just going to follow what I have on my screen, and you're going to see the result, guys. So if you are new to this, you can always ask me a question on my WhatsApp contact, which is in the description of this video. And if you want someone to do something like this for you, you can literally contact me. So now let's continue without music, without the voice, just the music, so we don't get in trouble with YouTube. So this is the admin part of the platform. As you can see, this is the admin. It looks like this, and as I guess you have been wondering, how does the admin look? This is how it looks, and as you can see, the further task people do, they get paid for it. For task request, so as you can see, let me not click that, sorry. So it's like that. Anything you want to change, guys, anything you want to change. This is the admin part, this is the withdraw part, approve withdrawal, and this is the setting. Then you manage methods like withdrawal methods, payment plan. This is where you put your wallet address. If you are using crypto or you are using your bank account, you can add a new bank account here. That is it. So which other thing, guys? So this is the main settings of the website. As you can see, your logo, you want people to be able to withdraw, maximum withdrawal, minimum withdrawal, your Telegram channel, your daily sign-in bonus. If people sign in, how much are they making? This is where they put the notice, Telegram group, maximum charge, and all the others, guys, all the others. So that's it, guys. So let's go to the user's end and see what the user sees. So as you can see, it looks better on mobile, as you can see. So you can remove this, and this is it, guys. See, you go to the invest plan. Now remember, we saw something like this that time. So this is it. This is how it looks, guys. This is the profits. This is how much you deposit. This is total withdrawal, your money you earn, financial records, and this is your account, your VIP level. You upgrade your VIP level as we are seeing on that part. You can upgrade it. So this is how these people create this kind of website, and I hope you actually understand. Now don't mind the code at this side. It's actually, this is how I view code on a mobile view on my desktop. So this is how the mobile view is, and this is your investments. As you see, this is if you have any, is it. So you could invest on VIP funds or HOTS. So this is it. So guys, that is it. So thanks for watching this video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, and I will see you on my next video. I hope this cybersecurity tutorial has helped you understand how these websites are made and to know how to prevent yourself or falling victim into any of these websites. So everything you need for such a website, or every information I've used in this tutorial, are in the description. So you can check the description, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now, guys.